Here's how you install a heat shield on a Road Glide Ultra. You got two bolt holes. One on the bottom where she's got the screw and washer already in. I got these cheap from Amazon, 19 bucks. And you have to pull the spark plug wires loose right there. They go in that hole because that hole up there on this model, it's already threaded. The upper hole's already threaded. If I can see it or not, shine your light in there where that hole is. Up at the top. It's right behind it. Move those spark plug wires. Right up in there. There it is. That's a threaded hole. Move your fingers. Down the bottom is another threaded hole. Mine was already installed. So I got lucky on that. Those bolts were already in there. If not, you have to go to Harley and get a part. The other side's already on. It wasn't difficult at all once the bolts are already in. Now all you gotta do is, I put red Loctite on these because I don't want them to come out. And she's screwing in the bottom hole to hold it in place while she goes up to the top to do the top one. I may not video this whole thing because it's long. It takes about 10-15 minutes to do this. But you can see, if my wife can do it, it's not rocket science. She's a nurse practitioner, but she loves to work on stuff. So that's how easy it is. I showed her where the holes are, showed her how it fits in there, showed her how to put the nut and the washer together. You got it in? You want the top one? Now take this and put just a little dab around the top threads. Sorry guys, okay, that's good. Don't tilt it up the other way. When you tilt it down, that red's gonna run out in your hand. That stuff's like water. There you go. Had to reposition. When you get old, gravity don't just pull on boobs. If you don't watch how you sit down when you're old, you sit down on something and you talk like this right here. Some of you guys may know what I'm talking about. Now she's going to put the top hole in. The other side had adjustables, and it had three holes in the top, and one hole in the bottom so that you could get it in there. This one, it only has one hole on the top and then a slotted hole in the bottom where you can adjust it up and down. Yeah, the back is up on the jack. It is, safety's in place. That jack's awesome. Did you get started? No. Can you see the hole? I know it's difficult. The little headlight she's got on, it's got a little red thing on the back. It's charged. It's the best thing we ever spent money on. Because you recharge it and it's got soft light, beam light, and strobe, and it's adjustable. It's really, really, really nice. Probably gonna cut this off here in just a minute, guys. We're running about 5 minutes, maybe 6. Did you get started, baby? Is it hard to find? Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it off. We'll be here all night. It takes a while to get these in. It's just hard getting them into the nut on the top. The nut on the top is actually a threaded hole with a nut that's molded into the frame of the bike. So you don't have to worry about it. On the bottom is an insert. It's a little brass insert. You can go into Harley and look at their heat shield and it'll show you that you need a clip over or a brass insert that goes in that the screws into. These are already installed on this bike, so I didn't have to worry about that. And I don't use the clip over on this model, this particular year model, I think 17 and forward. The upper nut is already molded into the frame, so that's a big plus. So, did you get it? Look at that. 6 minutes on the dot. All she got to do now is tighten everything up. Yes, yes, she's worth the money. It fell out. We'll start again. All right, guys, it's Frosty. I'll talk to you later.